We got an email from Beth out at Lockett Meadow. Dear STQ, there's been some recent Bigfoot activity.
What?
Out at Sunset Crater area, Flagstaff, just a place a little northeast of here. Wondering if Team STQ has looked into this. Yeah. Well, many have searched for the Mogollon monster and failed, so we're going to have to think of something no one else has, something really innovative, something outside the box.
This one. This is outside the box, but it's really warm.
Okay.
Then what good is it?
I got a drone.
A drone? The magic robot that brings us beer?
I think a drone is a great start, but we're going to have to think of something bait-wise that no one's thought of, and we're going to have to think of something, a trap, an innovative trap.
Well, it's just a big gorilla, isn't it? What do gorillas eat?
This is probably the most serious hunt yet. That's why I joined Team STQ, to make a serious contribution to the field of cryptoastrology.
Cryptozoology.
Ah, yeah, whatever.
Stop messing around and come help us. Setting up camp in a banana suit ain't no picnic.
Kinda looks like one, though.
No, I think Grape Ape is what single-handedly wrecked the Hanna-Barbera genre.
Oh, well, yeah, maybe, but I think the Herculoids just saved the whole thing.
Saving a beauty, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, guys.
What's up, Fruit of the Loom?
What do we do you dressed as?
You said come dressed as my favorite fruit.
Not your favorite fruit, the gorilla's favorite, the Mogollon monster's favorite fruit.
I love me some genetically motivated Monsanto-licious grapes in a rubbery and plastic form.
It's the primates, though. They like bananas.
Bananas?
It's gotta be banana.
What is it with primates and bananas? Is their diet that low in riboflavin?
Riboflavin.
This is not going to end well.
Hey, I'm fermenting here. I'm turning into sweet, sweet wine, and you losers ain't getting none.
The majestic Mogollon Rim. A place that local Flagstaffians call the end of the world. Is this rugged area home to a giant unknown primate? At times reaching over 8,000 feet in elevation, this
8,000 feet? Boy, that's some gorilla.
Quiet, you! And the rim is home of the infamous cryptid, the Mogollon monster, which our team hopes to capture on this episode of Search Truth Quest.
Alright, we're in an ancient Anasazi structure, which we believe the Mogollon monsters have kind of reverse engineered into some type of banana factory. Thanks. We also don't get cell phone service way out here, so Les has created something so we can keep in constant communique with each other.
Cell manas.
Check.
This is what yellow sounds
Check.
like.
Check.
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 I can hear you.
Yeah.
Mine's defective.
Oh, man. What are you doing? These things don't grow on trees, you know?
Yeah, they do.
Little do they know that I've snuck out early and intend to lure the beast into our camp.
Little did Alex Bone realize the hunter was about to become the hunted.
Really? God, that's so cliche. Who writes this shit?
Sano.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense.
While we wait for Alex Bone to get us our trap, what we're going to do is spray ourselves down with some banana scent so we can further entice these creatures. We're going to try to elicit a response.
I smell enticing.
You do. You already smell great delicious.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, let's try to do some sounds to get this thing going here. Ladies first. Well, what is that?
I'm making a banana sound.
That's not what a banana sounds like.
We're supposed to make Bigfoot sounds. Let's just skip right to the wood knocking. Also, we know that primates like these respond to wood knocks. They've been, messing with cryptozoologists for years. We're going to give it a shot, see if we can get a response.
They're so cute when they're angry. He's good.
So what was the deal with that rosebud thing anyway?
Dude, you gotta watch the movie all the way through, you big doofus.
There it is.
Oh,
Oh, hey, what are we looking at?
That's the trap.
well, yeah, but what the hell is it?
It's a mine box. Bone made it.
Oh, a mime box.
Here it comes.
Silly
You
me.
knew about this?
Yeah, just help me lower it. Yeah. All right, there we go. Oh, man.
Oh, those mines are stronger than they look.
Oh, watch the...
All right, close up, let it go.
Wow, that was exhausting.
I didn't know it would be so heavy.
I need a beer.
Oh, this beer's supposed to be on
what?
there, wasn't it?
Oh. What?
All right, we got to bring it back up.
Oh, you dropped it on the core.
Bring it back up. Here we go.
Come on.
Dude, get it.
Okay, get it. Get it. Get it. Drop it.
That's what I call teamwork.
Yeah, when we put our minds together, guys, we can really get things done.
Well, it's too bad that Bone drank all the beer.
Again?
What a dick.
Luckily, I stashed that backup 96 pack in the Truth Mobile. We've been through this one before.
So is a tomato like a grapefruit or
Oh, you
is
guys
a
got a mine
grapefruit
box.
like a tomato?
Grapefruit's not a tomato.
I mean, I know they're in a different category.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Was it grapefruit or grapefruit?
I think it's both.
I'm confused.
You guys gonna set this?
So that's the...
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
The mime
Hello?
box.
Sure.
Good job.
What's going on?
Good job. All right. Start pulling with me. Tied on. Ow. That's my brain. All right. I'm gonna use the half Windsor. Now it should be able to be open for when the thing comes. We're gonna lure it in from that way. I think we're good to go. I hope. Good. Oh, jeez.
Jeez. Oh, jeez, Margie.
Mine rope there.
He looks like a big fella. So no.
No, I don't think we're even arguing. I think we're in agreement. I think Paul Williams was the one from Planet of the Apes. That was the best one.
No, you don't understand. The Statue of Liberty's in the sand because it's the same planet. Oh man, look, come on. No.
Is that Rosebud?
No. Well, yes, it's Rosebud.
What is the deal with Cokie?
I can't stand her.
I know she's been on that banana for over an hour now.
Well, I mean,
her
what-
roaming charges are going to be ridiculous.
Well, anyway, we know where this thing is. We set our trap. We're gonna call it a day, but we're gonna go back out there, find Bone, and we're gonna trap this thing, and we're gonna wrap this up tomorrow. That's the plan.
No.
I think we should get up onto a ridge though and check the banana phone for Bone.
I'll have a beer. You guys want a beer?
Yeah.
She really is.
Here we go, man.
Oh my god, I gotta go. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good.
my phone!
Ah, that's some good down-home squatching. Just like Ma used to squatch.
Oh, you really are furry. I think I dropped my eye Nana. Can you swing back there? Really, I'm expecting a call. Why are you putting on Barry White? No, I'm working. That's not what I meant. I said no. Oh, wait, is that Grey Goose? Maybe I'll just have one.
This is nice out here. I can see why the Mogollon monster likes it so much.
Yeah, and there's marshmallows too. I feel like we're missing something.
Koki! Where's Koki?
Never mind that. My marshmallows are toasted almost perfectly. I need a cracker stat. Thank you.
Beer me. Yeah. Oh, thanks, man.
Cracker! Thank you.
Hello? 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 Bone? Are you wearing your banana suit?
I'm wearing the banana suit. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Operator? Operator? Whose carrier is this out here? Ugh.
Do you hear like bad 60s dance music?
I always hear bad 60s dance music.
Guys,
I'm going along tomorrow, Mom.
something ransacked the place. The whole camp.
Yeah, that was us.
Oh. Day 2. We're ready to go out and we're gonna go wrap this thing up today. We've got to find Bone. We've got to find the monster. We've got the trap set. We've got to get this thing wrapped up right now. That's
I
what we're
can't
gonna
go to school today, Mom.
I hope the monster's as hungover as I am.
Let's go.
Mom? I can't go to school today.
Oh, wait. Sweet. Beer.
I don't feel like dancing anymore. 8 hours is enough. This banana suit smells like Tony. Here you go, big guy. One more for sleepy weepy time. I'm so out of here. This is worse than hanging out with those Discord guys.
Okay, we're gonna use drone technology to try to capture this
You won't
thing.
believe this happened.
Oh, hang on. Hello? Yeah. It's for you.
Hello?
Please hold while I connect to your
Yes,
party.
I'll hold.
All right, guys, let's regroup. Let's try to set this scene. Let's get the trap going. Guys, perfect. So we have the mine box in place. We're going to use drone technology to lure this thing out of the woods. We think these things are on the far side of the ridge. We're going to get this thing over here. We're going to get into the mine box right now. We've got the bait set. We've got the trap set. Tony, how's it going?
Fantastic. Smooth like banana butter. These things are high tech.
Awesome. You just strapped the banana to the drone, didn't you?
You got a better idea there, Ben Franklin? How else are we gonna get this thing into
Well-
that big box, huh?
Well-
Huh? Is that thing strong enough to hold a monster?
Well, they hold mimes. Mimes are obviously ripped. I mean, did you see? You mean, have to
What about a big hairy gorilla
We're
monster?
about
Did
to
you ever
find
think
out.
about that?
We're about to find out.
Well, let's see then.
Let's see. Let's do it. Let's make this thing happen.
Boy, I feel proud.
This is a proud moment for STQ.
And America.
It's gonna hit a tree. What happened? It went right through it. Why didn't the mime box work?
Maybe you have to believe in mimes.
I guess I'll go get the mime rope.
No. That's all right. That's all right. Oh, man. Well, we didn't mean to kill Sasquatch, the Mogollon monster, but at least we have evidence now of its existence. And, oh!
Well, I'll be. I didn't see that one coming.
Stop the whole genre after battle.
Well, which one's the one? Paul Williams is the best one. That's like Beneath the Planet of the Apes. That's like, that's
Yeah, whatever.
Oh my God!
That's another audio guy. That's like 4.
God, what was his name?
I don't know. He's good
God,
though.
his union's gonna be so pissed.
Again, I don't want to even write them.
No, it's your turn this time.
I'm not doing it.
Great horny toads! Oh no! Guys, the monster got Greg! Whoa! Get out of there!
What's going on?
Oh!
It's not what I think it is it? Ketchup?
Worse. Catsup.
May God have mercy on our souls.
Whoa! Awesome! Yigby praise! Wait! I can't let go! Whoa, there's another one! Awesome! I'm stuck! Where's my banana phone? Damn it! Banana phone! Hey! You guys! Hey! June Day! May Day! Oh no, it's April! Help me! Get your stinking hands off of me, you dirty ape!
Arizona wilderness. Unknowable. Untamable. At the end of the day, all it leaves is a man and his banana. We're out of beer, and the Mogollon monster's dead. His mate is on the loose with a thirst for blood. Speaking of thirst, what I wouldn't do for a cherry Slurpee right now. There's gotta be a Circle K around here somewhere.
Hello?
Hey, Zano. Listen, man. There's something I gotta tell you. My father left home when I was really young, and, I always kind of looked up to you like a kind of authority figure. And, I know you're so disappointed. You're full of such strength, and you're full of such conviction with our group, and I know you're disappointed when we can't pull through, but you know what? That's not gonna happen this time, okay? It's not gonna happen. You're gonna be proud of me, I swear, okay? Now listen, I never told anybody about this, but when I was 9 years old...
Hello? Hello? Operator. Yes. Hi. I've been waiting on hold for about 40 minutes here, and no, I'm not yelling at you. I'm not. I know. I understand you should be getting paid more, and it's totally unfair. But I just can't wait any longer. My eye banana's turning brown.
Hello? Hello? Oh. Hello?
Let's fool! Dad! I mean, Zeno!
Okay. Oh, so I finally got some reception out here and called us a taxi.
Oh,
Thank God, I haven't had a beer in over an hour.
have you guys seen Bone?
Nope.
No.
Well, what about Koki?
Who's Koki?
Little annoying girl. Well, never mind that. There's a taxi. Oh, you're a lifesaver, man. Pops on Birch, stack.
Hey, wait, guys! Hey, man, chicken wing! I'm out of beer! I'm out of beer! Hey,
Bananas suck. I'm going back to apple.
The Arizona wilderness. Unknowable. Untamable. At the end of the day, shit, I forgot my banana.